Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and moist chocolate banana cake. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So let's get started. In a food processor, or you can use a blender, I'm going to use 3 ripe bananas. Cut them into slices and place them in a food processor. Then you're going to add 170 grams of sugar and blend the 2 ingredients into a smooth paste. Once ready, then you're going to pour in a large medium bowl. Then afterwards, you're going to pour a half a cup of cooking oil and mix well. Then you're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour, which is approximately to 296 grams. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl. Then pour 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything well and nice. Gradually pour a half a cup of normal milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing till everything is nicely mixed into a smooth batter. After mixing all the ingredients, your batter mixture should be like this. Lastly, take a medium-sized baking pan, pour some oil and grease the baking pan, then afterwards pour the batter into the baking pan. Slightly heat the cake mixture so that the air comes out before placing it in the oven. Place your banana cake in a preheated oven and bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, my chocolate banana cake is ready, as you can see in the video. Let it to cool down completely before removing it from the baking pan. Once the cake has cooled down, remove the banana cake out from the baking pan and serve on a plate. I'm going to cut the chocolate banana cake so you can able to see how the inside looks. Like this chocolate banana cake, it's so tasty and very moist, as you can see in the video. Enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your chocolate banana cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, Or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.